Alright, here we go. Old Man Reviews, and this is the surface. Wait, wrong spot, I think. Nope, I'm in the right spot. Alright, so I have to disable communications and make my way into the bunker. Never cared for the darkness of this level. I mean, I know it's part of the intrigue of infiltration while dark, but really, game's fun. I don't have a night goggles. All right, so dispatch those guys. Now, to get into the bunker, not the bunker, to get into the satellite area to disable communications, what did I just do? Okay. You need a key to get into that room. Oh, someone's shooting at me. The key is located in one of the cabins, and the cabins... that while it's here. Alright, here's hoping I didn't get turned around. Okay, so you go to the cabin on the right, and then you just go up behind it. Not find the cabin you need. It's not right. Alright, so I thought it was a cabin on the right that you run to and then run behind, but might be mistaken on that. I'd say I most definitely am mistaken. Unless it's... oh, right, bad angle. Alright, so now I have to get to the cabin. Ooh. And this is where that graininess gets irritating, because I know where I need to get to. But unlike the first level like this, there's you just don't have the ability to see these things in the distance. However, it's over here. So this is one of those levels where the darkness just kind of irritates everything. Don't run in front of me. Alright, genius. So don't run in front of me and then shoot. Shoot me from behind. Go. Idiot, don't run into the fire. Alright, I believe... And I don't have to destroy the helicopter. Oh! Hello, guys. Alright, so I need to get to the bunker. Okay, yeah, I am heading in the right direction. And my objective is complete by getting captured. Alright, thanks for watching.